Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel.
This week's stamping collab was hosted by Judinka Nail Art, and these are the manicures we prepared. Check the description box below for links to everybody's video. Let's get started. On two nails, I applied this Yapa nail polish called Sydney. The brush is really thin and the formula is really smooth and goes on easily over my nails. For the rest of the nails, I used this beautiful polish from Diva Polish, which is now called Bases Loaded Lacquer. This one is called My Lil Peanut. I'll be stamping an image from this Creator Shop plate number 26, and I'll use the Maniology red stamping polish called Fireside. I place the polish on the plate, scrape off the excess, and pick it up using the stamper. Then I stamp the image onto my nail, and instead of cleaning the stamper, I decided to use what was left over to stamp it on my pinky. But as you can see, it didn't turn out okay, so I had to re-stamp that design one more time. I only applied polish on the bottom half of the image, which is the only thing I needed to add to the pinky nail. Luckily, it was an easy save, and I finished off stamping the same image on my thumbnail. Now it's time for some cleanup. After cleaning up, this is what I'm left with. Now I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat to seal in the stamping. Here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!